Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2011 Honda Odyssey. I believe this is an EXL. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. The power ramp comes out, and you can see the van squatting down. It's got the kneeling system. What that does, it lowers the angle of that ramp. And that ramp there is about 30 inches wide. We got about 55 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and about 58 inches once you're inside the van. We got 800-pound weight capacity here, and this is real convenient. So if you're by yourself, if you want to be 100% independent, you're not waiting on rides, you're not inconveniencing friends or family members to come get you or transport you around. You come in the van by yourself, you roll on in here. You've got this nice plastic floor, easy to clean. Back seats are leather seats there, and those will fold down if you want some more storage for traveling. But a great thing about these is if you're able to, if you're nimble enough to get out of your chair and, come in here and sit down, you've got that option. If that's not an option for you, if you can't transfer through this, it's a pretty narrow space, but you can remove this passenger seat, park your wheelchair up here, transfer over to the driver's seat. You are now 100% independent. You go when you want to go, you leave when you want to leave. So just allow some nice options. You could actually remove both of those, put 2 chairs up there and even one in the back, so potentially can hold 3 wheelchairs in this van at a time. Got the moonroof. I'll show you that working here just a minute. Got a cool box in here. Check that out. You can keep your whatever cool in there, and got your plugs there. And I believe this is a purse holder. It says push pow. If you've got a nice purse, ladies, or even men these days, who knows? Either way, if you got a nice purse, you can hang it there, or something you want to hang. Pretty cool little feature. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Have a huge backup camera. I'll show that to you here in just a minute. You got your heated seats, your dual climate control, your rear air, and you can operate all the conversion here with that button. You can also operate all the power doors over here and turn your knee on and off, so on and so forth. So as I exit the van here, got an upgraded Q-strength tie downs in here too. Those are high dollar. You got a shoulder harness here for your seat belt, and that can all be moved to the front if you decide to put a wheelchair in the front. So we got everybody secure. I'm going to hold the button here. You do not push twice. You see the van raising back up. You hold it on these Hondas. Everything shuts down. It all shuts down smooth. We're ready to roll. This van's got the alloy wheels. It's got the Firestone tires on it. These things are darn near brand new. For some reason, 3 of them, the front 2 and the back driver's side, are all brand new, close to brand new Firestones. This passenger one, it's not quite brand new. It's got about 730 seconds of tread. Still quite a bit of tread left on it, but I don't know why they have 3 pretty much brand new. But don't shoot the messenger. Hey, this is a 13-year-old van. I'll take 3 brand new tires and one pretty dang good shape one as myself. It's got the they use this for had a magnet on here. We've buffed this van. I had one of my guys spend 6 hours buffing this thing to try to make it look as nice as possible. So just a little, you're gonna see that outline there. But overall, it's pretty dang clean. You got the bug guts up front. We actually took this on trade from a company. They used it for their out-of-town van. Yeah, and there's some, bug guts here on the hood. They're noticeable. So, hey, if you want me to paint all this brand new paint and make it look brand new, we can. That's going to come on your dime. To me, on a 13-year-old vehicle, this kind of stuff is not a big deal. Just minor damage, what I would call normal wear for a 13-year-old vehicle. Hey, if you want that fixed, you let me know. On your dime, we'll get it done. I saw one tiny little door ding here about the size of my fingernail. We do have a dent guy comes out. He pushes these out as best as he can. But we can't get every single one of them perfect. So I hope you can tell in my videos. I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I'm trying to show you what I see in this van and represent it as fairly as I can. And that's one advantage of buying from us. I'm the owner. I'm buying from your perspective. I hand select every single one of our vehicles. I decide if we take them on trade or not. I don't take junk. I don't take floods. I don't take rebuilders that are all beat up. I take nice, clean vehicles. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video, not a picture, a video of this VIN number. And why, you ask? Well, there's a lot of scammers out there. They're taking pictures off the internet of my vans. They're trying to sell them, a van like this. They're going to say they're selling it for $8,000, which is not possible. But they're going to try to get you to send money to them. If you were to say to them, hey, send me a video of that VIN number with your name. Hey, my name's Jeremiah Coleman. That's they couldn't do it because they don't have the van in their possession. They're just taking pictures. They're trying to scam people. So be aware out there. Don't get yourself scammed. What we do with that VIN number, we do a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see no accidents or damage. 29 service records. This is a nice, well taken care of Honda. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with tons of service. As we scroll down, it does show there might be an open recall reported. You can take that to any Honda dealership that will fix it free of charge. And like I mentioned, you can see all the service been done on this van. It has been serviced meticulously, very well taken care of. You can look at all this yourself on our website. You can scroll down and look at our Carfax reports. But a nice, clean, well taken care of Honda. It does show that it was last serviced at 120,000 miles, so 3,000 miles ago. Engine powertrain module checked, air filter replaced, throttle body serviced, mass airflow sensor replaced. So yeah, just a nice clean van. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay. 1,513 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can see us here in Wichita, Kansas. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. We have a whole lot of reviews, 291. So I deal with a lot of people. I hear horror stories, or how they bought from one of these dealers, that's got the 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews down here. They didn't even bother taking 30 seconds to look them up on Google and see what their reviews are. So if you end up buying from one of those people, you get a salvage title you didn't know about, you get a flooded vehicle, you get a vehicle with a bad transmission. So if you want to take that risk, you want to take that coin flip on large purchases, yeah, have at it. Go ahead. If you want the 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, go ahead and do business with them. If you want a company with a 5-star service that's been doing this for a dozen years with 5-star vans, we look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. We do have the 1 key and the 1 fob. If you want to get additional ones made on your dime, we can sure do that. As I enter the van, got both dual power seats up here. You can see they work just fine. Nice clean leather interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors from this van. You got your rear air controls up there if the passenger in the back can reach those. And if these doors ever do act up on you, you can hit the turn them off there, and what that does makes these doors manual sliding doors. So better unlock it first. That might help. Can open and shut these without having to fight those motors as much. So it's a little different perspective here in the back of the van. It is a nice clean van. Shut that down, turn those back on. And when I get in here to turn on the van, you can see it fires right up. And all the dummy lights work and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag lights, no ABS. We got our enormous backup camera there. That radio works. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power, mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows moving here. We've tested the heat, air, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. Let's see, we got a mirror over there not moving for me. Alright, I'm going to have to let my guys know about that. Okay, we'll get that fixed. So passenger mirror, that's why I do these videos. But we'll get that looked at. But I'll show you all these power windows are working here. But my point is, we very thoroughly inspect all these vans before they hit my lot. Sometimes they might miss a little something, or maybe it was working a couple days ago. Things happen, so we'll get that replaced. But let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has the Honda V6 engine. You can see that battery is new in 2 of 23, so fairly new battery in there. Idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from being up north. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in pictures, they assume it drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And I tell you what, folks, even new car dealerships are not immune to floods. New car dealerships do have floods in them. So no matter what you do, no matter who you buy from, what I want you to do is compare me. Go check out the competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reviews online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest and reputable? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get out on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see exactly what you're getting? Sorry, this phone's going off the hook today. But so when it comes to price, not only price, when it comes to reputation and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the vehicle you're going to get, please compare us to the competition. And tell me what happens if you end up buying a vehicle that's got, you can't get a title for because you're dealing with someone shady on the other end of the phone. You know, well, if you can't get a title for it, you can't drive it. What happens if you end up buying a vehicle that's got bad frame damage from an accident or a flood? Well, you can't, it won't pass inspection, you can't register it. If you can't register it, you can't drive it. So no matter who you do business with, demand 4 things so you can avoid these issues. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of our videos. Second, demand a Carfax report. All of our vans come with the free Carfax report, and I mean it when I say I'm buying from your perspective. I run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before I buy. Yes, they cost me thousands of dollars a month, but I do it because I want to know what I'm getting into. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. We touched on this earlier. Make sure you know who you're buying from. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Do your research. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. We stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. All right, before I get her out on the highway, I wanted to show you that moonroof was working. And I always check on these moonroofs. I check for any water spots around them. None on this Honda, just to show you that moonroof is not leaking. This is a Honda, they don't leak, you know that. But yeah, man, you get somebody that's you know, family member or something that doesn't get out much on a nice day like today. You roll down the windows, you open up that moonroof, you watch their face light up. So let's get on with the test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Odyssey home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Runs and drives very nice down the highway. We got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. And do keep in mind, we do offer a 90-day complimentary warranty. We do offer long-term extended warranties that cover not only the van, but also the conversion. The power conversions, they can be kind of costly to work on. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees and the shipping, that real nice price you saw online, well, just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, and attempts to be 100% transparent. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. And if you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to my cell phone. As we come down the ramp there, you saw the van, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. But as back to that phone number, I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person as that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Odyssey whether you buy it or not. As far as financing, it's going to be tough to get on a vehicle this old. I'm just being honest with you. We can sure try. Just have you fill out an application via email or text. And of course, you can always do cash. We do take trade-ins as well. Give us a call, whether it's across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Give me a call. I can explain how that works. And if you made it here to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but there's a lot to go over. There's a lot of detail. It's a major purchase, so I do try to be as detailed as possible. If you give us a thumbs up here on YouTube, click the little thumb up. That would help us a lot. Give us a follow if you'd like to be one of the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And if you ever do want to come in, please make sure you make that appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you, but we do have to make an appointment. We stay extremely busy, so set that up with us. Come check out what we have if you need to. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.